Hello guys, in this session we are going to discuss about control word format for 8255. In 8255, this is the total structure of a control word format in IO mode.
First of all, we have to know about the control word and the function of this control word. What is control word? There will be a register in 8255, that is the control register. The content of this register, the contents of these registers is called the control word. Then what is the function of this register? What is the function? Control word specifies or defines the input or output function for each port. There will be several ports in 8255. 8255 has some several ports. These are port C, port A, port B, 3 ports. These are the ports in 8255. Then these ports acts either as input or output. It may be input port or output port. When data, these are the interfacing circuit. This is a microprocessor MP 8255. It is a PPI 8255. These are the 8255 IC. This is keyboard. This is a input device. This is display. It is output device. When data coming from 8255 to the display or output, there the ports acts as a output port. When keyboard or from input device, the data coming into the 8255, then it acts as a input port. So the ports are acts as either input or output. It may be input port or it may be output port. Actually, control word specifies the input output function for each port. The port acts as the port acts as output or input. These functions specify the control word. The control word, it is a 8-bit register D0 to D7. These are the bit D0, D1, D2, D3. The bit means binary digit. Binary digit means the bits is either 0 or 1. These are the format of the control word. Control word specify the input output function for each port. Then D0 to D7. D0 specifies the port C lower part. Port C have 2 part. There is a 2 part in port C. Port C lower part. This is PC0 to PC3. The 4-bit. The 4-bit. PC3 to PC0 or PC0 to PC3. If the D0 is 0, then D0 bit acts as an output. If the bit D0 is 0, then it is output. If the bit is 1, then it is input. Then D1 specify the function of port V, PB0 to PB7. PB0 to PB7, 8-bit. Specify D1 specify the port V. If the D1 bit is 1, then it acts as input. If the D1 bits is 0, then acts as output. Then D2 specify the mode selection. The mode of the 8255 or modes of the 8255 already discussed in the previous session. The mode selection, mode 0 or 1. If D2 is 0, then it select as mode 0. If D2 became 1, then it acts as mode 1. Next, D3. This portion is the group B. Actually, in the architecture part of the 8255, the architecture divided into 2 parts. One is group A, another one is group B. This is a group B part. Group B parts include port C lower, port B, and modes, also mode selection D0, D1, D2. The arrow indicates this function, group B function. Next part D3, D3 to D6, D0 to D1 indicates the group A part. D3 to D6 indicates or specify the group A function. This is a group A and this is the group B function. D4, D0 to D7, it is a 8-bit register. The bit are either maybe 0 or 1. D4 become D3, D0 to D2 indicates group B part, and D3 to D6 indicates the group A part. Next bit D3. D3 indicates the group A port C upper. Port C upper 4-bit. Port C upper. Upper means port C4, bit number 4 to bit number 7, PC4 to PC7. And 1, if the bit become 1, then this port will be acts as the input port, and the bit become 0, the port acts as a output port. In the total control word format, if the bit become 1, then it acts as a input, and if 0, then acts as a output. 1 means input and 0 means output. Then D4 indicates, arrow indicates port A is a 8-bit. Port A 8-bit. Port A 8-bit. 8-bit port. Then D6 and D5. There are 2-bit D6, D5. This indicate the mode selection. If the bit, this is D6 and D5. If 0, 0, then it goes to the mode 0 condition. Then if the bits D6 and D5 0, 1, then it indicates, if 0, 1, then indicates mode 1. In the 0, 0, mode 0. If either 1, 0 or 1, 1, the two combination indicates, if 1, 0 or 1, 1, this two combination indicates mode 2. The modes of the 8255 already discussed in the previous session. Then D7. In the control word format, D7 bit or bit number 8 or D7 bit indicates the operation or function. It may be input output operation, or either it is a BSR operation. If the D7 bits is 1, then it is a input output operation or IO operation. If the bit become 0, then it indicates BSR or bit set reset mode. Bit set reset mode, this is another part or another control word format. Bit set reset word or bit set reset control word format is another part. Bit set reset only used by the port C, BSR bit set reset. This mode, bit set reset mode, only used for port C. Port C. Actually, what is control word? 8255 has a control register, and the content of this register is called control word. Control word specifies the function, if it is input or output for each port. specify the input output function for each port. D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7 have some function for each port. These these ports are port A, port B, port C, etc. Next, let's see a problem. Configure port A, B, C is output in mode 0 condition. Port A, this is port B, port C is output in mode 0 condition. Then what will we find out term? Find out the control word format. This is the structure of a control word format, and here the problem indicates configure port A, port B, port C is output in mode 0 condition. Find out the control word. If first port A is a port A is output. Port which group contains the port A function or operation? Group A. This is a group A, port A. Port A as a output. Port A as a output port. Port A, actually which bit indicates the port A? Port A, D4 indicates the port A. D4, this is D4. D4 bit indicates the port A. Port A acts as a output. If the D4 bit is 0, then it acts as a output. First, port A output, that is D4. This is 0. 0 means output. Then port B. This is port B. Port B, this is the port B. D1 indicates the port B operation or function. Is it output or input? Port B also the output port or acts as output port. Then D1, 0 here, 0 means output and 1 means input. Here D1 indicates the port B function, and port B acts as a output. Then D1 hold the value of 0. Then port C. Port C is output port. Actually, in mode 0 condition, port C is output. Port C, this is a group B portion, port C lower and also port C upper. Port C lower and port C upper. Port C acts as a output port. Here port C is output. Port C output, then port C upper portion, that is D3 0 output. Then port C lower also 0 means output. Then D0 means 0. Then next, in mode 0 condition, this is a group B mode selection. This is a mode selection for group A. This mode selection is for group B. This mode selection for group A. The total, these 3 bits are in mode 0 condition. First, mode selection for group B. D2 indicates the mode selection. Here problem indicates the mode 0 condition. Mode 0 means 0. 0 means mode 0, 1 means mode 1. Then D2. Hold the 0. Next, group A mode selection. Group A mode selection in mode 0 condition. Mode 0, 0 0 D6 D5 0 0. In if D6 D5 0 0, then it indicates the mode 0 condition, 0 0 or 0 0. The D6 D5, then D6 and D5 holds the value 0 0. Next, the last bit D7. D7 indicates it's either input output operation or bit set reset operation. Problem indicates port A, port B is output in mode 0 condition. Actually, the problem is saying that the total port A, port B is output. This is also a input output operation. Problem indicates the output, and D7, if D7 holds the 1, then it is a input output operation, and problem indicates the output operation. If port A, B, C, problem in the problem also indicates input operation or output operation, here only the output operation has been done in this problem. So I1 means input operation or output operation. Problem holds the output port. So D7 holds the bit 1, because if this is in the BSR mode, then it goes to the 0. This is the output mode, output. So D7 holds, or D7 indicates the 1. D7 indicates the 1. Then what is the, here the question is find out the control word. The control word D7, D6, D5, D4, D3, D2, D1, D0. D0, what is the value of D0? D0, the value 0. What is the value of D1? D1, 0. 0. Then what is the value of D2? 0. What is the value of D3? 0. What is the value of D4? 0. Then D5, D6, D5, D6, D5, 0, 0. And what is the value of D7? As the operation is input or output operation, as the operation is input or output operation, here problem indicates only output operation. So this is a input output operation, and D7 indicates the value of 1, not 0. If this control word format in BSR mode, then D7 holds the 0 value. So the value of D7 is 1. And what, this is a binary term, 1 0 0. If we convert this in the hex number, then divide into two parts, 4 bit 4 bit. 1 0 0 0 means 8, and 0 0 0 0 means 0. The control word, find out the control word. Control word 80H is a hex form. Please everyone try to solve. This is another problem. Configure port A is output. Configure port A is output. This is output. Port A output in mode 0 condition. Port B input. Port B acts as input in mode 1 condition. This is a mode 1. Port B input in mode 1 condition. Port A is output in mode 0 condition. Find out the control word. By the above process, please everyone try to solve. By above process, everyone try to solve this problem.